Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. Today's video is part of a complete QuickBooks overview series. I will be showing you step-by-step everything you need to know to operate QuickBooks like a champ. So let's get started. Step 1 is setting up your company and completing your QuickBooks profile. To do this, head over to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Under Your Company, select Account and Settings. Under your company settings, click on the pencil icon to edit. And here you will see a space to upload your company logo. This will also show up on all of your QBO documents like estimates and invoices. I always recommend uploading a high quality logo here. This will portray a more professional appearance to your customers. Next, you will obviously want to add in all of your company information like name and EIN number. Click the green Save button when you're finished. Next, you're going to want to edit the company type section. You'll need to select your tax form, and those options are as follows. A sole proprietor. You're a sole proprietor if you're the only one who runs your business. To report income or loss, you should use Schedule C or Form 1040. A partnership. Select this business type if you're carrying out your business with 2 or more partners. Partnerships use Form 1065 to report their business income and loss. An S corporation or an S corp. A corporation that elects to be an S corp passes corporate income, loss, and taxes through its shareholders and reports on a Form 1120S. A C corporation or a C corp is a corporation that qualifies as a C corp is taxed separately from its owners. Rather than passing through 2 owners, C corps report on Form 1120. Or a nonprofit organization. Nonprofits are tax-exempt corporations that focus on social causes rather than generating income. They use Form 990 to report their annual activity. LLCs or limited liability companies. Choose this business type if you're unsure whether to file taxes as a sole proprietor, partnership, or an S corp. Next, fill out your industry and click the green Save button when you are finished. Now, click on the pencil icon in the Contact Info section to provide contact information for both QuickBooks and your customers. Enter the company email address QuickBooks will use to contact the QuickBooks Online administrator. The customer-facing email address will appear on sales forms sent to your customers, such as invoices. If this differs from the QuickBooks administrator's email address, then uncheck the box and input the correct email address. Fill in the company phone number that should appear on all of the sales forms to your customers. Doing business today, it is crucial to have a website, so make sure you fill in your website information. This will also show up on all of your customer forms. Click the green Save button when you are done and ready to start entering your company's address information. Moving on, let's enter your company's address information. In the newest QuickBooks Online version, the company address, customer-facing address, and legal address appear in separate sections. Let's review the different types of addresses. The company address is the address of the physical location of your business and is used for your payments to QuickBooks. After making changes, click Save. The customer-facing address. This address appears on your invoices and your sales forms and should be the address to which you want your customers to mail their payments. If it's different from your company address, uncheck the box and enter the correct customer-facing address. Click Save to record your changes. And the legal address. The legal address is used for your tax filings and should match your address on file with the IRS. Again, if this differs from the company address, you must uncheck the box and input the legal address. When you're satisfied with the addresses that you have entered, click the green Save button. The final section allows you to set your marketing preferences with Intuit, the owner of QuickBooks. If you click Marketing Preferences, you will be taken to Intuit's website, where you will be asked a series of questions regarding the ways Intuit can contact you. By completing the survey, you can opt out of all mail, phone calls, and emails from Intuit. This is the end of part 1, the first video in this series. You can watch the full video or stay tuned for part 2. For more business resources, my online self-paced home bookkeeper masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked below in the description. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And for even more behind-the-scenes content of life as a home bookkeeper, feel free to follow me on Instagram @EmmaDawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. If you need more assistance, private QuickBooks Online coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.